So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, under computer configuration, you want to expand Windows settings. And now you want to expand security settings. And now you want to expand local policies. And now you want to click on user rights assignment. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you want to click on allow logon locally. Double click on this. Now you want to select add user or group. And now you want to click on advanced. And then click on find now. And now once this comes up, you now want to find a user account that you want to add. So for me, I'm going to scroll down. I want to add this account right here. I'm going to click on it and then click on OK. And then click on check names and then click on OK again. And now you want to click on apply and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to find deny logon locally. Click on this. And now if you see your user account right here, the one that you added in earlier to allow logon locally, then you want to click on it and then click on remove. Only if you see your user account here, click on it and then click on remove and then click on OK. And then once you do all that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.